Hadn't done any update videos or anything in a while, so I thought I'd kind of show it printing again. I hadn't printed a whole lot with it. I am using Orca Slicer. I've just transferred the numbers over from the newer slicer they have on their online, and I hadn't, since I've got it tightened up, the centric nuts tightened up, I really hadn't had any much trouble with it. I had a articulated dragon that didn't print good, but I think it got cool in my shop and it come off the bed a little bit. It printed the whole thing, like the top third of it was shifted over a little bit. But anyway, I just wanted to share another little small run of it. Printing an AR mag, or AR mount, wall mount, that goes in the mag well. It's printing at about 180 on 90 millimeters per second.